In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a WordPress theme without breaking your website. Whether you're looking for a fresh look or simply want to update your site's design, changing a theme can be a breeze if done correctly. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to ensure your website stays intact and functional. First off, you need to navigate to wordpress.com. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you are on the homepage, the next step is logging into your account. Look for the login button, typically found in the upper right hand corner of the site. Click on it and you'll be presented with several login options. Here we're going to streamline the process by using Google, so go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Now you'll need to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account that's tied to your WordPress site for seamless access. With that you're in, well done. Your next step is to look for the Edit Site option under Quick Links on the right panel. This link is crucial as it guides you directly into the editing space of your website. Once you've clicked Edit Site, you'll find yourself in the editing dashboard. Now locate your website from the options available to you. Clicking on your website will lead you towards the Customization Hub, which is where we want to be. To navigate wisely, focus on the right hand side panel. Here you'll see a tab labelled Template. This is your gateway to explore all the design options available. Now let's head into the design section. It's here that you can explore various themes that WordPress offers. Take your time to browse through the options, choose a theme that aligns with your brand's vision and aesthetic. Remember, the goal is to find something that's not only visually appealing, but also functional for your website's needs. Once you've made your selection, it's time to finalize the change by clicking Save in the top right corner. This crucial step ensures that all your preferences are locked in and your new theme is activated without a hitch. There you have it, a quick and effective method to refresh your WordPress website with a new theme. Always remember to review your site after making any changes to ensure that all elements display correctly across different devices. This attention to detail helps maintain a seamless user experience and guarantees that your website remains both attractive and user-friendly for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing on your WordPress site.